Game over. The NEW Tesla 4680 battery is genius. And here's why. At the ceremony, Elon Musk threw a loud celebration to celebrate the inauguration of the Giga Berlin Brandenburg facility, as well as pledging to release the first European Tesla Model Y next month. For this electric vehicle, Musk also demonstrated a revolutionary battery architecture. Engineers completely modified the battery pack to accommodate the additional 4,680 cells. Elon Musk previously discussed the advantages of the new body construction, which will be standard on German-built Model Y crossovers, which uses a structural battery and two one-piece bases to cut weight by 10% and boost the electric vehicle's range by 14%. Not to mention the assembling procedure, which was sped up by 370 pieces by lowering the number of components required. For a long time, machinery for the construction of solid body bases has been installed at a German company, but it is only now that the upgraded structure has been seen in action. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss Tesla's future. Elon Musk's SpaceX and Tesla shares are two of Elon Musk's ventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like it. The new body structure of Tesla is unique. The 4680 battery pack serves as a structural part at the base's bodywork, connecting the front and back. The letter is an important component that, to some degree, facilitates the process of putting together an electric car. It makes body repairs more difficult. The seat bases are also connected to the battery pack, which enhances the design's manufacturability and streamlines the electric vehicle's assembly process. During the Music Fest on October 9th, Tesla showcased 4,680 battery cells. These battery cells are also referred to as the company's most current finest engineering, since they are built for extended life, durability, power, and cost. Last year, during the Tesla Battery Day event, the 4680 structural battery pack was initially exhibited. This battery pack reduces the vehicle's bulk while increasing its stiffness and safety. Following Giga Shanghai, these battery packs will be produced and tested at Giga Berlin in Texas. The next large plant in the pipeline is Giga Berlin. The revised battery design and the new 4680 cells will shape the upcoming Tesla Model Y car, which will mostly be produced in Berlin later this year. EV enthusiasts were able to see many of the design and production breakthroughs that will premiere at Giga Berlin. Tesla's new structural battery pack, on the other hand, was the showstopper. A cutaway version of the pack was on display, demonstrating how the new 4,680 cells are organized in the pack. Tesla claims that its 4,680 cells will have a greater energy density and better thermal stability than the 2,170 cells from the previous generation. The business is apparently working on ramping them up to mass production on a prototype plant in California. The new battery pack has a cell-to-pack architecture that eliminates battery modules, making it easier and less expensive to build underbody structural strength and allowing it to be linked to Tesla's huge single-piece front and rear underbody castings, further lowering complexity and expense. The battery pack will be directly installed on the car seats. The body will then be lowered onto the Classic around the seats by Tesla's engineers. The assembling procedure has been greatly simplified. Tesla devotees are sifting through the party photos and delving into the arcana of the new battery pack design. The cooling mechanism on the new pack looks to be somewhat simpler. As with the 2,170 pack, cooling channels snake between the rows of cells, although it's unclear if there will be top and bottom cooling as well. Some people believe the new pack is made to be more readily recyclable, which is a plausible assumption, given Tesla's increasing focus on the battery's end-of-life phase. If all goes according to plan, the Berlin Giga plant will start manufacturing models in November, with customer deliveries beginning in December. Tesla has been working on its 4,670 battery cells for over a year, and the world's most valuable automaker teased the production of these next-generation battery cells at the launch party for its Berlin Giga factory. These next-generation battery cells will make electric cars cheaper with better range and faster charging. The Model Y, which has become one of Tesla's best-selling vehicles and is expected to soon overtake the Model 3 in sales, is expected to be the first vehicle to leave the Berlin Giga plant. Elon Musk has announced the power of the Tesla Model Y and Model 4680 battery packs. By the end of 2022, 5,000 people each week might be working, if not $10,000 every week. Tesla's objective of mass producing its 4,680 battery cells took a major step ahead on Wednesday when New Caledonian miner Pony Resources said the EV company has contracted to buy 42,000 tons of nickel over a multi-year period. Tesla's high-powered batteries, such as the 4680 cells presently in pilot production at the company's Cottle Road site in Vermont, California, need nickel. Prony said in a statement that its goal is to produce 44,000 tons of nickel by 2024. Its production is expected to more than double by 2021. During a press conference held by the Antonin Bureau, Prony's chief executive revealed that Tesla is now the mining company's biggest customer to date, although he didn't go into detail about the contract. Barrier indicated that the 42,000 tons for EV manufacturers was an estimate and may change. Prony's nickel supply arrangement with Tesla was arranged by Trafigura, a stakeholder of the mining company. According to the CEO, last month, Elon Musk also struck an agreement with Prony. Tesla and Ponies, interestingly enough, were previously been linked before their newly publicized nickel agreement. The electric vehicle manufacturer advised the miner on product and sustainability criteria. In its position as a vital nickel source for Tesla, Prony isn't alone. Tesla secured an agreement earlier this year to buy nickel from BHP Australian facilities, which is important given Tesla's ambition of building up its car and energy storage product in the future years. It wouldn't be shocking if the corporation signs numerous additional agreements with nickel suppliers in the near future. After all, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has said that nickel would be a major component in the company's long-range car batteries. I'd want to re-emphasize that any mining company out there should mine additional nickel, regardless of where they are in the globe, that they experienced 5 years ago. Go for high-volume nickel mining that is both efficient and ecologically beneficial. If you mine nickel effectively and ecologically friendly, Tesla will grant you a huge contract for a long time. Last year's Battery Day event saw the formal presentation of the company's bespoke 4680 cells, and Musk announced as much. Tesla's CEO has remained steadfast in his anti-nickel position. Musk emphasized during the company's recent 2021 annual shareholder meeting that the company's most demanding vehicles, including the Cybertruck and Tesla Semi, will have a nickel-based cathode. The Tesla CEO also said that cells with an iron-based cathode would be used in the company's standard range automobiles and battery storage solutions. Our long-range vehicles employ a nickel-based cathode, which is what counts, but just for cars in the ordinary range and stationary vehicles. The cathode is made of iron. Musk said the following: Rocktech Lithium, located in Canada, has announced the development of Europe's first lithium refining factory in Brandenburg, Germany. It intends to manufacture battery-grade lithium hydroxide for lithium-ion batteries, making it an ideal match with Tesla Giga Berlin, which is just 60 kilometers 37 miles away. Rocktech Lithium said in a news statement that it aims to spend up to 470 million euros, $545 million, on all of its industrial units at the Gubern location. The converter plant is expected to be completed by 2024, and the business predicts that it will need roughly 160 technicians, engineers, and manufacturing workers to run the whole plant. The Tesla Giga Berlin factory is just 60 kilometers away, with a manufacturing target of 500,000 automobiles per year. At Tesla's recent GigaFest Country Fair in Brandenburg, CEO Elon Musk said that Giga Berlin would take around a year to achieve full manufacturing capacity. The firm published a banner that said that one automobile body will be produced every 4 to 5 seconds. According to Elon Musk, Giga Berlin could produce 10,000 automobiles per week if it worked 24 hours a day, equating to 520,000 cars per year. Tesla intends to manufacture its 4680 cells in Brandenburg in addition to automobiles, and it will need to develop a supply chain to manufacture batteries. Let me know in the comments section below whether you appreciate what Elon Musk is doing with the 4680 batteries. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what is going on with Tesla's forthcoming batteries. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think about Tesla 4680 batteries in the comments section below. Look forward to seeing you at the next one.